This is my first time owning a car with big wheels, you know what I'm saying, 26s. Now the car, man, I'm telling you, I love the way this car is sitting with these wheels on. Fire straight up. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, I love this car. I'm loving the way it's sitting. Yeah. The box Chevy on 26s. Got the charger on the side. I should have pushed it back just so I could have got a comparison of the height. But if y'all know, man, with these 26s, it rolls the car up a lot.
My cars, I paid cash for them. Go past hell, I got 220 on my dashboard. You see Liddy now. Now my bro around with jewelry on, shit bigger now. I don't mean no disrespect to MLK, but I'm that nigga now.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. This video, man, I'm just gonna be basically showing y'all the box Chevy again. And y'all see the title is, this is my first time owning a car with big wheels, you know what I'm saying, 26s. Now the car, man, I'm telling you, I love the way this car is sitting with these wheels on. It got it lifted up a little bit more. The car is like higher, you know what I'm saying? And the fitment of the wheels, you know what I'm saying, since they bolt straight up and everything, I don't need no wheel spacing, no adapters or nothing. The fitment, it's like the wheels are tucking. I'm like I said, I'm loving the way this is looking. When I end up getting me like a different set of wheels, like 28s, like I said, I want to eventually have 28s on the car. I don't want to have 26s forever. When I eventually get 28s, I do want to have a little bit of a lip in the rear, but I don't want to do no frame notching or none of that, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to do none of that. I don't want to cut on this car no more. It's already been cut on too much and I don't like it. Which I can replace the fender wheels, you know what I'm saying, or the wheel wells, either one, whatever you want to call it. I can replace those, but like I said, I don't want to cut on this car no more. I don't want to take out chunks of the rear axles and none of that stuff. I don't want to do none of that. So I do want to end up getting a little bit of a lip on the rear wheel, and then having the front wheel the exact way it is now. Now the next video, we will be taking this car for a test drive, because I don't know if it's gonna rub. If it is gonna rub, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is my first time owning a car with big wheels, so I know how to drive with rims on the car. It's just I've never drove a car with this big of wheels on it, you know, 26s. My dad had cars with 24s and I drove 24s, but I've never drove 26s. So yeah, the next video, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. It'll be something new for me. And like I said, I know how to drive with wheels on the car. I know you don't need to try to cut it too hard or none of that stuff. And you feel me, you gotta watch out for potholes and all that stuff. But the main thing is, you know, I just want to make sure that it's not gonna rub too bad, you feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, this video I'm just gonna be showing y'all the car again with the wheels on. And like I said, I'm just excited and I'm happy that I got these wheels on the car. I love the height of the car. It looked like the car is up so much in the air, like it's lifted a lot, you feel me? When I'm inside of the car, that's what it feels like. So I just hope y'all enjoy this video. I can't wait for the next video. I'm gonna try and get some good angles so we can get some good driving footage, you know what I'm saying, and get that done. But yeah, I figured out my GoPro as well, so hopefully everything goes smoothly, you feel me? But make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you need to turn that post notification bell on, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel so we can keep growing as much as possible. We almost at 3,000 subscribers. Maybe by the time I drop this video, I might be a little bit closer, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, keep sharing the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and let's try to go viral with this box Chevy. Even though it's not perfect, you feel me? Y'all know we're on a budget. We ain't got $10,000 to spend on wheels, you know? I take that money and go buy another car before I do it with buying wheels right now, because I don't have it like that. I'd rather go buy another car than try to spend $10,000 on a set of wheels, you feel me? So yeah, man, maybe we're gonna end up getting another set of wheels, 28s, and I want to do, instead of buying them like aftermarket, instead of buying it off somebody, I'm gonna most likely go through an online company, you know what I'm saying, and order them and get a brand new set of 28s with a little bit of a lip in the back. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I will catch y'all in 1 second once we get ready to pull the car out, and we're gonna do a walk around of the car. All right, y'all, let's get ready to pull the car out real quick and get y'all a quick little cold start. Fire straight up. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, I love this car. I'm loving the way it's sitting. I'm loving the ride height. yeah, I can't wait for the next video where we're gonna take this car for a test drive, bring y'all with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it on the GoPro. Like, I'm trying to get a good angle for y'all. I don't know how good the angle is gonna be, but I'm gonna try and get as good of an angle as I can, you know what I'm saying? As good as I can. So yeah, man, let's get right into this video. Get ready to pull the car out. I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and yeah, we're just gonna do a little walk around, like I said, of the car, show y'all the ride height, the wheels tucking. Even though y'all didn't check out the last video, go check out the last video when we put these wheels on this car. And like I said, I know the wheel's not perfect and none of that. This is just gonna be a temporary setup until I get a set of 28s. The 28 is gonna be my final setup, you know? So, hope y'all enjoy this. And I will catch y'all once the car gets pulled out. We're gonna do a little walk around, a little tour of the car. And next video, we're gonna take it for a ride. All right, y'all, so the wind is blowing pretty hard. It look like it's gonna rain, but let's go ahead and get right into this video. Like I said, I'm loving the way this car is sitting. I got to slightly squat it. If I want to air it up in the back, I can air up the air shocks. But as of right now, like I said, I love the way it's sitting. I love the height of the car. I love the height of the wheels. It's like, it's kind of like it's subtle, because y'all know the wheels not too crazy. The wheels are kind of plain. So it's like subtle. But once we end up getting them 28s, it won't be too much subtle or too subtle anymore, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, here you go. Once again, the box Chevy on 26s. Got the Charger on the side. I should have pushed it back just so I could have got a comparison of the height. But if y'all know, man, with these 26s, it rolls the car up a lot. So if we look with this gap, bro, it's barely any gap, man, you know what I'm saying? And right here, I turned the wheel a little bit, and it don't look like it was rubbing anywhere. As y'all can see, I just rolled on it because I had to pull it out. But yeah, man, it don't look like it was rubbing anywhere. But man, I'm loving the fitment of this. I'm loving it, man. I'm telling you, I'm loving it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I still ain't took that piece off yet, which because I just put the wheels on yesterday, so I ain't really had time to do it, nor have I really been too focused on it, because I still got to get the caps, the center caps, before I even worry about trying to get that off. So yeah, man. But the rear, bro, the rear is like, it's so perfect, man. I'm telling you. Now I wish the previous owner didn't cut this. I know I can put some metal there and then fill it in, you know what I'm saying, with some metal, and then shape it right, but y'all know I don't know how to weld, so I can't really do that myself. But yeah, like I said, I wish he didn't cut that there, because it did not need to be cut. He had 24s on this car. The previous owner had 24s on here, because, well, I don't even have the original fenders on here. But the original fenders, he had like a sticker on it that said 24 inch. So he had 24s on here, which I don't know why he cut, because he had, where my, I'm trying to see my airbag. Is that it? Oh, I don't know. I can't really see. I guess so. Yeah, my air shock. That's it. Yeah, right there. So y'all see the air shock. It ain't aired up all the way, but I can air it up, you know what I'm saying? Which I don't need to, because the inside of this fender is rolled. So even if I did hit something and the car got pushed down, it's nowhere near here. See, look, my finger is here, so far away from the wheel. So regardless, I can air this down if I want to, so it'll be squatting even more. You feel me? And I will be washing the car with the wheels on it after. This is a little hint for another video that's coming to y'all. I installed my weather stripping, so I just ordered some for all the windows. So yeah, man, once I install that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car. That way I won't have to worry about water getting stuck inside the doors on either one. So I'm waiting on that to come in. Once they come in, it should be coming in, and actually tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna install it tomorrow though, but it's supposed to come in tomorrow. And once they come in, we're gonna go ahead and wash the entire car with the wheels on it. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, look, this is the camera straight. Look at the squat of the car, bro. I love it, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving it. Look at the squat of the car. This is the camera fully straight, not turned. Look at the squat of the car. Man, I'm telling y'all, man, this car looks so good with these wheels on. I done had a few people already stop and be like, bro, that car is coming along. I'm really liking the wheels on it, all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? Once again, here go the squat of the car. I just need to wash these wheels. The wheels are a little dirty. Maybe it don't look like it on camera, but the wheels are definitely a little dirty. This is the camera at a straight angle, and that's the tilt of the car. I got, like I said, just a slight little tilt, nothing too crazy. But yeah, man, y'all know we got air shocks on the back, and my airline is behind my license plate. I just air it up. And I will be changing the rear brake system too. So I have a rotor and a caliper on the back, you know. I'm gonna be doing that. I don't know when or what. I know the kit costs like $500, so I'm gonna be doing that sometime soon too. Maybe during the summer, you know. So I'm gonna be doing that as well. Y'all stay tuned for that. But man, with the cornering lights, these 26s, man, this car look perfect. I just need paint on it, man. I'm telling you, I just need paint. That's it. Brand new tires on the wheels. The tires not leaking. The wheels not leaking. Y'all know the 24s I tried to put on here. One of them was bad, so I just said forget the 24s. Found these 6s, and now we riding better anyways. You know, filled up the wheel well gap, so it ain't no huge gap there no more. That's the camera straight too. Look at that angle, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like I said, the wind is blowing. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. I'm loving this. I'm loving this, man. And if y'all knew me from back then, well, when I first started this YouTube stuff, y'all know how shy and stuff I was. I hold my camera, record, and talk everything while people ride, while people talking to me, all this stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want to put nobody on camera because I don't know how they feel. But if I could have put everybody who done rode by so far and giving me compliments on the box Chevy, the stance of it, the wheels of it, the size of the wheels, the way the car is looking, the way it's coming, man, this video will probably be about an hour long, because some people stayed and talked to me for about 10 minutes just looking at the car, admiring it. You feel me? Like I said, and another thing is my age. You know, I'm young and I'm into these older cars. You don't see that too much. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said, the wheel well gap is perfect. If I want to, I can let the air out of the shock so it'll lean back down even more, and it won't touch the wheel ever. It won't ever touch the wheel, just because this inside is rolled. You know what I'm saying? This inside is rolled, and you can tell by this trim right here. When I had to put this new trim on, I had to bend it because the previous owner had rolled this inside of this wheel well. So yeah, man, I got plenty of room under here. Plenty of room. I can easily fit an 8 back here. Easily fit an 8 back here. And the wheel's not touching this part of the frame, either the inside of the frame. I know some of y'all might have been worried about that, but it's not. It's kind of close to it, but it's not touching it. You know, it's not touching it. So we good on that. And it shouldn't ever touch it. The tire's not touching it either. So yeah, y'all see how this mainly dirt. This ain't all pit, but some of it is pit. But yeah, the wheel is pretty dirty. And like I said, this is not the permanent setup. Y'all know, I done said it multiple times now. But this is the setup that we're gonna be running until I'm able to get a 28 or find a 28 that I want. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I want to order a set instead of buying them like off Facebook Market or something. I'm buying them secondhand. I wanna order me a set. And I know I found a set. I don't know if I like it though, but I seen I can get a full set for about $1,500. So yeah, man. Then I end up probably most likely getting rid of these. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, I love this setup. I'm loving the way the car is looking. And like I said, this is my first time owning a car with this big of wheels on it. I ain't never owned a car with a wheel this big. So it's a new experience for me. And really, I'm enjoying it. I can't wait to start driving this thing with these wheels on. I'm loving it, man. I'm telling you, I'm loving it. Let me check the back of this one. Cause when I just pulled it out, I ain't hear no rubbing, so yeah, we good. Ain't rubbing, ain't hitting the part of the frame right here, so we all good. You know what I'm saying? Ain't hitting the part of the frame. Like I said, we got plenty of room up here, plenty of room on the sides and the back. The only thing I do wish is the lip was out a little bit more, probably about an inch more, half an inch more. Have a bigger lip on the back than the front, but it is what it is. We need to clean these wheels, but it looked good with them center caps on. Man, dog, I'm telling y'all, man, I'm loving this. The car look like it's up so much higher because of the wheels. And when fall and winter come, I have to take them off and put most likely the Cutlass stocks on, because I'm gonna have the rally wheels on the Cutlass, so I'm gonna most likely have to put the Cutlass stocks on here, just so it can be good for the winter. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like I said, my first time owning a car with this big of a wheel on it, and I'm loving the experience, you feel me? So I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, guys, so it's gonna be the end of this one. The next video, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna try and get as best of an angle as I can, so y'all be able to see the wheels like rotating and stuff in traffic. But yeah, man, hopefully it don't rub or nothing. Like I told y'all, the rear is perfect, literally. I'm hoping the fronts don't rub. But other than that, man, the ride height is perfect. How high I'm sitting in this car is perfect. Like even just sitting like right here, right now, I can see the difference, how big of a difference it is, you know what I'm saying? I used to be able to see the driveway, but now I can't even see the end of the driveway sitting like I am right now in this car. So yeah, man, it's a new experience for me. I ain't never owned a car with this big of a wheel on it, but I'm a forever enjoy this ride, you know what I'm saying? I'm enjoying it, and I'm loving it, bro, you know? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. This car is coming to an end. The last few things is paint, this dash, this door. I'm gonna make me a new rear deck, but I'm gonna have to use some really thin wood for it. And then we're gonna find the final set of wheels for this car. And this car is complete. You know what I'm saying? It's fully complete until I'm ready to do another motor swap. But I'm gonna run this motor until it don't run no more. Ain't no need of me wasting money on the motor when I have a good motor that's still running in this car. Man, dog, I'm telling y'all, I'm so happy. I'm excited. Y'all know the wheel ain't perfect, you know. It ain't a brand new wheel, but it will be, you feel me? We will be getting a brand new wheel, and it's gonna be a 28 instead of a 26. But like I said, for now, temporary setup. This temporary setup looks good, you know what I'm saying? I've been getting a lot of compliments. People been telling me they like the way the car's sitting, the way the car's looking, how far the cars actually came, you feel me? And I've been building this. Most of the work I've done myself. Some work I couldn't do myself, but most of the work I've done myself on this car. And then some of the work was already done when I got the car, you know what I'm saying? I didn't have to spend extra money on, you know what I'm saying, get earth shocks, you feel me, for the rear. Motor swapping it, which I wonder if the original motor was good, because this car, I checked the VIN, I did a VIN search and everything. The original motor in here was a 5.0, so it was a V8. I wonder if it was still running good or not, but I guess, I don't know, you feel me? It don't bother me. I got a running motor in this car, and the car is running good. Everything is smoothly so far with this car. Like I said, the last few things I gotta do now is the dash, this door panel, the paint, the body work, of course, paint and body. And I'm gonna make me another rear deck and another center console. I'm gonna be making me another one soon. I don't know when, really. I've been busy trying to, you know what I'm saying, get everything, the real stuff that I actually need to get this car done so it can get ready to be painted, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the center console, I'm gonna make another one, but for now it's not at the top of my list to get done, you know what I'm saying? The top of my list is to make sure everything is ready for this car to get painted and body work done. But yeah, man, like I said, my first time owning a car with big wheels, man, it's definitely something new and a different experience, but I'm loving it, you feel me? And I can't wait to drive it in the next video. So y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video, you feel me? And keep God first and God bless, man. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next one.